you may reconsider the degree of difficulty of pizza making at home once you see this recipe on Kitchen Guy. We're going to make pizza puffs, and I've started by browning some sausage in a skillet, and you can choose the heat level. And if there's any excess grease, go ahead and drain it, and then add in some diced onion and some sliced mushrooms. I'm using creminis today. Now take the pan off the heat and add in some store-bought pizza sauce. Don't look at me funny. And then once the mixture cools, I'll add in some Parmesan and some mozzarella. Now I've got a piece of puff pastry that I put on a floured board, and with my rolling pin I'll just expand it somewhat. Make it into a larger square. And then with a paring knife I'll cut it into 4 triangles. Now put some of the mixture in the middle of one of those triangles. Then brush the edges with some egg wash. And then fold the triangle over. Crimp with a fork and put it on a lightly greased baking sheet, and then bake in a 400 oven until these are beautifully golden brown. It's a delicious pizza treat, and it really doesn't take that long, and it's very easy to make, and I'll show you how easy when you write to me for the recipe or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy link. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television, and I'll see you next time.